And viewers, with just one more phase of elections to go on, the Prime Minister has upped his ante against the INDIA bloc. Today, he declared that he has a big revelation to make against INDIA. And what is this revelation? Prime Minister Modi says that Samajwadi Party declared in its manifesto in both 2012 and 2014 that as a party it is ready to make a Muslim quota in 2012. Not just that, he also claims that Samajwadi Party was ready to change the constitution for ensuring reservation for Muslim community. This is what the Prime Minister said. Listen in.
एक नया खुलासा मैं आज कर रहा हूं। 2012 में उत्तर प्रदेश विधानसभा चुनाव के समय जनवरी महीने में सपा ने अपना घोषणा पत्र जारी किया था। 2012 तब सपा ने अपने घोषणा पत्र में कहा था, जैसे दलितों को, पिछड़ों को आरक्षण मिला है, वैसे ही मुसलमानों को आरक्षण दिया जाएगा। ये सपा ने 2012 के घोषणा पत्र में कहा था। सपा ने डंके की चोट पर कहा था कि वो इसके लिए संविधान तक बदल देगी। 2014 के लोकसभा चुनाव में सपा ने फिर अपना घोषणा पत्र जारी किया। इसमें फिर सपा ने मुसलमानों को आरक्षण देने का ऐलान किया।
Now you heard what Prime Minister Narendra Modi said. It wasn't just the revelation about what Samajwadi Party had promised in the year 2012 before the Uttar Pradesh Assembly elections. Now, Prime Minister Modi further went on to say that the INDIA bloc wants to change the constitution to ensure Muslim community gets a reservation. Listen in.
कि अब इंडी वालों ने तय किया है कि मुसलमानों को आरक्षण देने के लिए एससी, एसटी, ओबीसी, अति पिछड़ों का आरक्षण छीनने के लिए अब वो आखिरी उपाय खोज लिया है। और वो आखिरी उपाय है उनका संविधान में बदल लाना, संविधान में लिख देना। वो कहते हैं कि संविधान में लिखेंगे मुसलमानों को आरक्षण दिया जाएगा।
Shivani joins us on this broadcast. Shivani, Muslim quota has been one of the biggest talking points in this election season. We've heard how top leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, starting from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has taken aim at the opposition, accusing them of trying to snatch rights from the OBC community, from the SCs and STs to ensure that Muslim quota is given for, to appease a particular vote bank. That is the charge. Today, the Prime Minister goes on to say that I am making this new khulasa. And he goes back to the year 2012. And then he goes on to say that the Samajwadi Party, a constituent of the INDIA bloc, was ready to change the constitution to ensure this. Now, how do you see this escalating? What are the reactions that are now coming in?
Back to the opposition party, be it Parivarvad, be it the allegations of changing the constitution, to the Samajwadi Party and the India Alliance, the Congress Party, and this time also when he's putting out these attacks on the opposition party, especially for the Muslim reservations. Remember, Sagarika, a few days back, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had also put out a video of Rahul Gandhi in which he was saying that Muslim reservation should be brought. And that is how he's bringing about all these attacks which the opposition has been putting out at Prime Minister Narendra Modi back to them. And he also says that Samajwadi Party in 2012 in UP Vidhan Sabha elections had brought out a manifesto in which they had promised that they will be bringing reservation for the Muslims, and not only this, but also in 2014 they had promised that not only in police but also the PAC reservation quota will be brought on the basis of religion. So that is what Prime Minister is saying, and he's also saying that for this matter, constitution was also to be changed by the Samajwadi Party. This was also being said by them. So whatever the opposition is bringing about in terms of different issues, be it Parivarvad, be it corruption, or be it this changing the constitution, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is giving them back, hitting them hard, and giving them back with evidences, with videos. And now he's brought this new revelation about Samajwadi Party in Uttar Pradesh, how they had promised to bring about religious reservations.
Yes, and there are two layers to this very attack, Shivani. Number one, we've also seen the opposition constantly attack the Bharatiya Janata Party and make this election about if the BJP comes back to power. One, there's going to be Tanashahi, and number two, like how leaders of the BJP have been saying, this is what Prime Minister, this is what exactly the opposition has been saying, that the BJP wants to change the constitution. And now the Prime Minister says that to appease a vote bank, the Samajwadi Party was even ready to bring in tweaks to the Samvidhan. Let's also remind